I put the screw in first, and then I can hold the whole thing upside down and line her up. And it seems to be a little bit easier than trying to hold it and do it any other way. Make sure you get them snug. And since I'm up here, I'm going to go ahead and check the other ones. I've got a little bit of a turn in a couple blades already. You leave it too long, and when these screws start getting loose, it starts flapping this up and down, and then your ceiling fan will start wobbling, and your blade could fall down. I've actually seen one of these blades fall before, and I couldn't find both screws, not on this ceiling fan, but one kind of like this. Doesn't take much, you know. I just did a little bit of maintenance on that. Nice and easy to do. Let's get this turned back on. Before, when I came in this room, I had it on just like this, and I could see the rope trim that was loose just dangling with it going this fast. Now, there's nothing there because it's fixed. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Speaking of more videos, what am I going to do next? I got a toilet here, and I don't know if you were watching before, but this whole toilet is loose. Somebody had caulked it, and it's loose. This is a 10-year-old toilet. Look at that. And the reason why I first noticed it, because if you get on the toilet and move it, see there? I'm moving it right off, and that's another thing. They didn't have it shimmed properly, and when you get a rough floor, you've got to have it adjusted properly when you first install it to have it tight, or it could start loosening up. That's my next project. I've got to take that all apart, and I'm going to use a waxless seal. If you want to keep watching my videos, I'll show you how to do it.